Hello.
Hi.
Where are you from?
Oh, London. Where are you from?
I live outer London, but a few minutes drive away from your place, I guess. On Facebook Live, is it true that people started panic buying there in London?
I've heard, yeah. Yeah, I can see the shopping centres. Literally, all the shops are empty. You can't buy anything. Have you been shopping yourself?
Actually, I just came from the shop, and as you can see behind me, plenty of tissues. Toilet rolls, because people were crazy. They were fighting for 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 this. So I have to grab a few for myself. This probably will last for about maybe, I don't know, but at least good for 2 weeks or more.
That's nice. I mean, it's always nice to be prepared in times like this.
Because the thing is that we might go into lockdown. So it's always nice to be prepared. How about you? Did you do your shopping yet?
I haven't actually, kind of, but I'll find some time to do that soon.
You know what? My advice is you really need to go, mate, because don't wait until when there's nothing to buy from the grocery store.
Maybe when I'm off work.
Alam nyo, madiskartehan nga to. Ang ganda niya, di ba? Didiskartehan ko to. Sabihin ko magdadala ako ng tissue sa kanila para mas makilala ko pa. Sandali. You know what? I have plenty here. You might want me to bring some of this stuff to your house,
No, really, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Honestly, I don't mind.
Really, I have some stuff, honestly.
Listen, just give me your address and then I don't mind driving to your house. I mean, I can give you some of this so that you don't waste your time going to the grocery. At least you have some.
No, I don't need toilet roll.
Come on, don't be scared. I don't mind. Just give me your address. You know what? I'm just a kind-hearted person who is willing to help in times like this. Come on, honestly, I just wanted to help. Believe me, I just wanted to help. Promise.
Kuya, tumigil ka na.
Nagtatagalog ka?
Sabi ko nga, di ba okay lang ako? May tabo na kami. Umuwi kami ng Pilipinas. Bumili ng nanay ko ng 10 tabo. We're all good in the hood.
Pilipino ka?
Bisaya ko dong.
Di ko alam, may lahi ka palang Pilipino. British-Filipino ka pala. Namilipit tuloy yung dila ko doon. Actually, nag-nosebleed ako. Di ko lang pinahalata eh.
Yan na, work na ako. Sumbong kita kay Digong eh.
Naku, huwag mo kong isumbong kay Tatay Digong. Good boy to, good boy. Good boy ng Baguio. Sayang, ganda talaga ni ate. Hindi umubra yung diskarte ko.